Hello students, today we would be doing computer hardware components part 6. Today we will be seeing storage devices. What are storage devices? Normally when you write on your computer a letter or an Excel file or make a PowerPoint presentation, if you don't save it, it will be for temporarily present in random access memory and will be removed as soon as the application is closed or when the computer is shut down. If you want that data to be saved permanently, then you have to save it, and that saving is normally done on a hard disk or the storage device. There are different kind of storage devices. When you actually save your file, the file is stored in the hard disk and it can be deleted only when you select the file and delete it later on. Say one of the basic or the standard storage device is the hard disk, which is present in the CPU cabinet of your computer. Nowadays you get an external hard disk with a USB connection also. You can just put it on the USB port and you can use it. Okay. How does a hard disk look like? Hard disk is actually a spindle of magnetic disks. They are all records or called platters which are kept one over the other. You can see this is the platter and there are many platters kept one over the other. This is the read and write head, and there is one on the top as well as on the back side of the record. All the data on the record is written electromagnetically in concentric circles or tracks. Okay. The information on both the side is written magnetically and hence the data remains intact even after you turn off the computer. That is, when I have opened a Word file and I am writing a letter and then it tells me, do you want to save it or not? I will say yes, give it a name, then it will be stored somewhere on this platter, okay, with the help of the read and write head. Now this disk keeps on rotating or spinning, okay, and while it keeps on spinning, the head reads and writes on it. Okay. Next, we'll be talking about CD-ROM. It is called compact disk read-only memory. The short form of compact disk read-only memory is CD-ROM. Okay. It is an optical disk and it contains many kind of audio and visual softwares nowadays. It is a read-only. Read-only means once it has been written over it and a CD is burned, then you cannot write over it. Okay, you need a CD-ROM drive or an optical drive to read from this device. It can store up to 650 MB to 700 MB of data. There are two types: CD recordable, that is once you burn it and then use it, and CD rewritable means even if you have written once, you can rewrite on it. Okay. Next is digital versatile disk. This digital versatile disk looks a lot like CD only, but it stores high quality of audio and video. It can be single-sided or double-sided and can hold 4.7 GB to 17 GB of data. The data transfer rate is in kilobytes per second, so it is quite faster, and DVDs are of DVD recordable and DVD rewritable just like CD. Blu-ray disc uses blue-violet laser to read and write on it, and hence it is called as Blu-ray disc. It can hold up till 25 GB on single layer and 50 GB on a dual layer disc. You need a Blu-ray disc device for running the particular Blu-ray discs. Last is flash drive. You would have seen it. It consists of a printed circuit board and a USB connector and is used to transfer data from one PC to another. It can hold up till 1 terabyte of data and future may hold up till 2 terabyte. It is also called pen drive or thumb drive and it is removable and rewritable. Thank you.